In April, LEX 18 investigated complaints from Fayette County school employees who claimed the school district didn't do enough to protect them from the coronavirus when buses were being used to deliver food to students. Now, what happened at one bus garage is under investigation by the U.S. Occupational Safety and Health Administration. Sophia Millar has more in this LEX 18 Investigates.
LEX 18 has talked to more than a dozen Fayette County Public Schools transportation employees, both on and off camera, about their experiences delivering meals to kids through the Bus Bites program in March. And for every one of them, the story is the same.
And I feel like that they did not protect us like they should have.
Videos and pictures have surfaced from the first days of the Bus Bites program showing dozens on dozens of employees waiting closely together for their assignments at the bus garages.
They said 6 feet apart, and we all sitting in here chilling.
School spokesperson Lisa Defendel says in an April 5th statement the school implemented several measures to encourage social distancing, but employees say those were enforced days later.
Nobody would have let the kids do without, but there was smarter ways to go about this. There were safer ways to go about this.
The school district shut down the program on March 25th. A few weeks later, on April 4th, longtime bus driver Eugenia Weathers died after testing positive for the virus. Weathers' death fueled frustrations from employees who say while the school district wrote on paper that working those days were optional, they were under the impression their pay would be negatively impacted if they chose not to work. And that's why so many of them showed up.
Voluntary doesn't mean there's going to be repercussions if you don't do this. That's not voluntary.
A few days after Weathers' death, OSHA opened its investigation into the Miles Point bus garage on April 10th. School spokesperson Lisa Defendel says while they can't comment on an open investigation, it's important to note Fayette County Public Schools initiated the OSHA review by self-reporting the loss of one of their employees.
A lot of people are just very frustrated. Their lives were put in jeopardy, and they understand that the bus garage did not create the coronavirus by any means, but that the situations could have been different.
Stephen Peacock is going on 9 years of working as a bus driver at the Liberty Road garage. He says he's unsatisfied with the OSHA investigation because it's only looking at one of the locations when people have tested positive for the virus in both.
If they're going to investigate, they need to investigate both garages as one entity, not just one and avoid the others, because a lot of people have been affected in Liberty Road bus garage as well.
The Miles Point bus garage employed Weathers, who as of today is the only Fayette County Public Schools employee who has died from COVID-19. In Lexington, Sophia Millar, Evening Edition.